Please don't give me. 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 Don't give me. Please.
I dream be that Which kind of dream be that one? Which kind of thing be this, God? Who be that boy? Hey, I no go begin keep people because of Chiamaka. What be this? Be this one, this one. Person know they pick him, means something they happen. Eh? Abu? How far now? My cow don't land. I dey come. Thank God. I don't dey come out, thank God. I try they come out now. You do the urge. Hello? Oga Nedu? I don't cut and finish. Oh, you say your boys me they can't carry on. I do and well for you. You trust me now. And no, only me they shop. Oh, you say now I go see the alert. Thank you. Oh yeah, now. Baby, you. Take this one, hold on. By weekend I go complete her. Take now.
How much you say?
My love.
How much? Tell me, how much is it?
Just hold on now. Weekend, I go give you the balance. Now, tomorrow na weekend though. You forget, I think today na Chiamaka birthday. I won't enter that supermarket. Make I buy her a small cake. Then buy wine. Mate go do dorime for her for school. I see you no go follow me go now.
This. Oh.
My love, hold the 30,000 naira first now.
I knew it. How much?
30,000.
Was this what I asked you for? Eh?
Now 50k you asked me, but tomorrow night be the weekend, so I go give you the remaining 20,000 now.
And you're here telling me about your younger sister, who's in school. Wait, I asked you for 50,000 naira. And you were giving me 30,000 naira, giving me an excuse of your sister that you're going to go and do what? Dorime?
My love, no, they change her for me like that.
Is she more important than I am?
No, two of them are important too, but you know, say she be my only sister. Now she I get now, beg now. See, before you need to they go break. My love, don't come to do me like this, oh. Traditional prime minister. You know, say you are my king, oh. You are my crown.
You are telling me about...
My love, oh, my heart beats. I promise you I will give you tomorrow. Eh? I beg, I just want to go give her a small birthday surprise. Money? My love! Heartbeat! Hey! This one only don't vest like this. Who's he vest like this? Hey, you come begin to keep me malice. Nobody talk to me again. Money! Baba Fayo, Oga Fayo, I beg, eh? Help me look my shop. Eh? I dey come.
Hey! Hey! No. Oh no. Oh no, you are not saying anything.
Are you all going to sit here and stare at me like buffaloes? Have you not seen me before? Are you blind?
No.
Are you lost? I mean, what are you doing here? State your mission and get the hell out of my presence.
Oh no. I can't take this, so. I can't take this. This is not what we agreed on, is it?
Mbano.
Ah, I will not. This is a taboo in our land. It's a taboo in our palace.
What
I will take it.
Is this your house? Answer me, you old fool. You don't come here and lecture me. I am the queen of this kingdom, so you will take instructions from me. Don't be stupid. Sit down or you get out of my house. What? Now.
I'm living here, it's not my house. You can't be doing this.
Am I your daughter? I'm not your daughter. I am your queen. You don't talk to me like that. Sit down. If you don't want to sit down, you get out.
What?
Get out.
Let's go. Let's say we should get out.
I don't have time to entertain an old cacafuego like you. Get out.
What?
Let's go.
I'm leaving this place now. Right now.
Look at this old man. Get out.
Let's go.
Vagabond. What is nonsense?
What is
nonsense?
nonsense?
Nonsense.
You have insulted us for too long. And when the king comes back from his trip, I will make sure he twists this matter. I will make sure he...
He's what? He's my husband. You are nothing. I thought you have sense. You are a senseless or no woo. I know how to handle my husband. I give it to him the way he likes. Foolish man. I don't know why I have stupid elders in this kingdom. My husband should allow me import some babies. Babies that will be twerking for me, shaking their bum bum for me. I'm a queen. Not this old man. You left me here and traveled to the UK. You're not even back. What kind of unfortunate king are you, Obinaya? You allowed your brainless kinsmen to come here and speak to me as if I am nothing. Forgetting that I am the queen. They talk to me as if any of their daughters ever acquired a master's degree. Or even a doctorate degree. Like I do. Hey, listen. I want you to come back to this palace and teach them a lesson. Deal with them. What? You are busy. Obina, you are busy. What stupid project are you talking about? Abandon that project and come to me. I'm shouting. You're a stupid man. Obina, you're a stupid king. In fact, you're a useless king. If you don't come back, I promise you, I will make this kingdom unbearable for them. I will destroy your kingdom before you come back. And let me tell you, I will teach them lessons that they will never forget in a hurry. I will teach them lessons. I promise you. Hello? Hello? What? Really? You ended the call? Oh. Okay. I am not a village queen. I am not. You cannot reduce me to nothing. Never. I won't take it. As for those old men, all right. You've seen nothing. This is just the beginning. I will teach you all lessons. I'll deal with all of you. I promise.
So like, you're not taking me for granted. Just like that.
No, wait. Why you vex? No, wait now. You didn't me the run. No, wait. See, wait. Why didn't me run? Calm down now. Why you vex like this? You're not good now. Calm down.
You have insulted me. Do you understand? Because I brought myself so low to date you.
My love,
now
don't talk
you,
like this. Don't talk like this now. You know I love you. No be so. No vex now. Why you dey vex like this? No.
Do you know what? As I'm walking away, don't follow me. Don't follow me again. Don't talk to me. I mean it. Don't. Stop embarrassing. Stop embarrassing.
Why you dey do like this? No,
embarrassing me now. What is it?
Hello. Is everything alright?
Big boy, you no go mind your business. Now everything when you see, now you go shook mouth because you no mind your business.
Are you not the butcher girl at Ike Junction?
Which kind of nonsense question be that one? Oga, who no know me? I beg, pass, no beyond the 2 minutes, pass.
I'm just...
Now everything they go do commentary put. If you go join football club,
maybe
they run commentary for them.
Are we quarreling? Sorry.
My love, why you dey do me this kind of thing now? My joy giver. No. This way they do no good though. Okay, make I add small thing join her now. Hi. And I don't go give money, carry money, give allergy for tomorrow. Cause I won't do her like this. No. Chiamaka. Today na your birthday. Hey. Today na your birthday. I know see surprise go shock my sister, Hi. Oga. They go small for my cake. Make it set this way.
Wait, I'm coming.
Happy birthday. Una dey do bad thing.
No, he's my cosmate.
Why here come dey smell sperm? Abi una take am bath?
Sperm care. What is sperm? I don't understand.
Final year student dey ask me wetin be sperm. Anyway. Anyway, where my sister? I can't give am surprise.
She went for lectures.
Person went tell me say she dey inside house dey sleep.
Yes, she went for not long ago. She went for lectures. Yeah, let me call her.
No. No need. She go lecture, abi?
Yes.
So una don mature sotey una get mind. Bring boy come inside house. Come still get mind locked up for back. No. I just dey whisper to myself. I no talk to you. You no do anything wrong. For house where me dey pay for. I see. You see this bed? You go straight am. I know say na book una 12 una dey read na abi? As una dey read, the bed scatter. So you go arrange and make it set well. Yeah? Good girl. Serious student.
It's okay now. Ma, your cake is fine.
I know. Now what made me buy and be that? Anyway, when you say the lecture go finish?
By 6. By 6 o'clock. Let me call her now.
No. Give me the phone, make I see. Give me the phone. I think so I can surprise my sister now. I don't want to make you spoil the surprise. A surprise I come for. I see. I'm going to spoil for when I die. With my hard-earned money. So, na carry man come house when me dey pay for.
Babe. You know, I'm so surprised. I can't believe you're still a virgin. Like, you kept yourself for this long. I'm sorry for doubting you. You know, you're a very beautiful girl, and who would think you would keep yourself for this long? For me. I'm sorry for doubting you. Babe, for this I promise you, I will make you the happiest lady on earth. I would spoil you silly because you deserve the best.
Really?
Right? So sweet, baby.
Thank you, babe.
I got you for life, okay? You know, right?
I will never go back. Don't tell me that. Now after 7 to 8 we dey like this. So the lecture no dey finish.
Maybe she's on her way.
So now person like me you won't take the play, abi? They're not inform you. They're not tell you say na this school now I go. Mass communication now I read for this school. Abi you want the reason me JJC? You dey whine yourself.
I'm not whining you. I'm not whining myself. Okay, let me call her and know if she's on her. Oh. Okay, call her. Call her and know if she's on her way now.
You say she dey trek dey come, abi? We there they wait for her. You see this cake? This hand. Now I'll take present and give Chiamaka. I want to wine your ancestor.
Ma, do you care for anything so I can go out and get it for you?
Why body they pepper you? No, why your chest they pump? Relax. Relax now. What did they fear you? Chiamaka they come, abi? You see this room? We die here. Sit down there. Sit down there. I said, man, you sit down. So you walk this one.
Hello? Okay, driver, how far now? Yeah, how your side? Yes. I will make you take me and my home and go the best club where they for town. Yes, now you know how they go. Oh, that new club. Correct. Sharp. I know wahala now. Will they wait for you? Just they come now. Yeah? Alright, no wahala. My love. Are you good?
Can you help me out with this?
Okay, my baby.
I need to cook it.
Alright, just stay.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you.
That's my baby. Let me see.
Have a look.
You look so sweet, baby.
Thank you.
Okay, my love.
I'm ready. Hoping I'm taking alcohol today.
No, babe. No alcohol today, okay?
Why? Today is my birthday.
Okay, fine. 1 bottle, okay?
It can't be just one. I want to
Babe.
get high. I mean, today is my birthday, for crying out loud.
I know, my love, but you know how you act when you take more than 1 bottle.
That's why you are here
I
to
don't
carry
want you-
me. You are here to carry me.
Okay, fine,
I'm
you
ready.
win. Let's go, my love.
Period.
Hi. Let's go, baby. Alright, careful. Easy, baby.
I told you.
Babe, easy.
I'm not drunk.
Babe, I know. Just take it easy. Babe. Hold on. Just easy. Okay, easy, babe. Just hold on. It's okay. No, just hold on.
So you don't want to tell me where Chiamaka go, Abigail?
But I told her. I told her.
Shut up your mouth! I mean a point finger for you, Chris. I don't want to hear film again. Make I call her first. So now this thing they do. Now wait till they do be this. Hi! I don't suffer. Chiamaka go come house. Carry Bible. Wear Mary Amaka clothes for me. Chiamaka. You dey look time. Now midnight be this. My sister went go lecture, never still come back. For midnight. And you there here, you get mind a lie for me. You know girls say stop picture for your house. She picked this girl first.
Hello, sister. I'm so sorry I missed your calls. I slept off when I came back from lectures. It was so stressful, so I was so tired.
No wahala.
Yes, Abigail, she's here. She's sleeping.
Greet Abigail for me. Oh.
How are you now? How is shop?
You dey okay, my sister. You know say you be good girl. See that lodge on a day, no fight or no quarrel with any person.
Okay. Lectures was so tiring and I still need to go back to sleep.
I love you, eh? Tell Abigail say I love him too. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good night. I'll call you tomorrow.
Auntie, I can explain.
I don't tell you, you know they point this finger come where I did. You dey mad.
I want her.
You dey chop Chris.
I want her to stop following Marvin.
They dey walk you. I never want you know they point that finger come meet me.
I want her.
Keep quiet for there. You know girls say stop picture for your house. Are you dey reason me? I bless small picking for your eye.
No.
You wanna? You see this my two hand? They look am as I talk to you, look am well. You see am? This two hand. I take and kill cow and I take and kill goats. If I use one of these hands slap you, I promise you will enter coma.
Sorry, I beg. Auntie, I beg. Sorry.
I say make you shut up when I dey talk. Turn am down. At midnight today I won't sleep. Tomorrow, both of una go hear am from my hand.
Oh. Auntie, at least make I take my phone now.
Listen, don't dey walk your papa. You dey crazy. What did I tell you just now? I mean, like small picking for your eye. I know if I tell you I don't be small picking. You dey look me small picking. You dey look me JJC. You dey mad. No, you don't dey mad. You dey tell me, now what I dey tell you, don't be question I dey ask you, dey mad. Keep quiet. No dey breathe when I dey talk. God punish you there. Your head, waka. Make I give you the phone. Maybe begin chat and tell her say your sister dey inside room. No, they tell you I don't get sense. Idiot. Make me let them there. Enter bed when you sleep. I said when you sleep. Close the eye. Why the eye dey shake? And for that sleep, make sure so you no breathe. If you breathe, you don't die. Idiot. Tell her more. Tell her.
Thank you. It's just all this. Nobody.
It's okay. I feel cold. Please, let me call them a babe.
Sure. That's why we're here.
Sure.
Chizaram, listen to me. Chizaram, listen to me now.
Okay, now waiting now. Now waiting. What did they worry you?
Just give me a minute.
Okay, leave me.
Chizaram.
Okay, 5 seconds. Wait up. No touch me next time. No try and no touch me. Don't they touch me again. Why they follow me? Why they worry my life? Why they follow me up and down?
Chizaram, I swear to God, I love
now that love will kill you for there, kill your papa, kill your food generation, you dey craze. They walk you. Which kind of stupid love be that one? Guy, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Which kind of nonsense love be that one now? I don't like you.
Chizaram, I have been chasing you for only God knows how long. Just give me a chance. I love you. You are my spec. You are perfect for me.
Oh, guy, you not be my spec. You know my spec. See, make I tell you something, Bakachi. If you ever see me for road again, if you jam me for road, begin yarn up for my ear again, I swear I go change am for you. Go ask so. I dey sick for this my head. No trying. Respect yourself, Oga.
Zaram, please.
Okay, what's happen now? Why they follow me? You don't mad before? No, it in your eye. You don't mad. They gas tie you. Yes, they gas tie you. Makachi, follow me again if you no sweeter.
Chizaram, don't you know you
see,
deserve
I
more?
swear to God when make me. If you follow me again, you don't go like what you go see you.
Just give me a chance. You deserve to be loved. Love me. See, give me one chance and let me put.
What's my offer now?
Bye, man.
How much meat you want buy today? 20,000. You want biscuit bone?
No. Stop me.
Just...
All those.
Yes. No wahala.
Do and where, mama?
You know they trust me again. They believe me now. I dey here for you. Not what I'm big.
No.
Just normal. Okay. That's how they do you well like this. So.
Thank you, man.
Wait, make I confirm the money. So you
money there complete, mama.
Hey, customer. My correct customer.
You know that.
Hi, correct guy. Oh yeah, now you feel they go.
Wow.
Thank you, Come tomorrow again, no.
Wow,
No worry, you go say where.
Hello. Good day. I thought you'd be hungry, so I brought you food and a table water. Can I hand it over to you?
What's the worry? Go out and carry your water. Hey, this nonsense, my friend. Worry, you grace. If your village will know that advice, you know if you advise yourself. What's be your problem? Waiting be your problem, Oga. Every day you go come pet for different corner, they view me. I be cinema, I be television, which one? Respect yourself. If you know what make I do something, you know, like respect yourself. Wait, oh. Hey, you don't plan to thief me?
No. I am not a thief at all. My intentions are very, very pure and honest towards you. I cannot just take my eyes off you. That is why I keep gazing at you. Please, I love you, like I said.
I don't love you. I don't love you at all. In fact, that's what they call like I don't get time for you, Oga. Carry yourself and you come on here. Come on here, sister. I be want make I catch you like that, man. They don't say they kick out. Come on here. Come back. Come carry this nonsense. Come on here. I say me you come back. Come on this thing for here. You know what come on time I be? Come on here. Since you don't get in my shop, so you get in my shop, they walk you. Come on here. If I see you for here again, I go butcher you. Idiot. So no girl do my picture for your house. So these children know. You be fine boy for your pocket too. And then look who she face. In fact, I don't see anybody face. Come do that, customer my shop. Customer go corner, customer my shop dirty. Stupid boy. Yeah.
Is it from that woman?
Yes. I know you like that woman.
Sharp.
Bros, you want buy meat? You want buy meat, bros? Bros, this don't do too much for you, I beg. Come on for if you don't want buy meat. Just move away, I beg. I don't want to see you for you next time. Because if I see for you, I will cut you. Every time you just stop my customer for you. I don't want to see for you next time.
Sister, who is that guy? I keep seeing him around. Is he working here?
That's the same guy I've been telling you about now.
Okay.
The one and only guy. I don't know anything they find for you. I don't even know anything that boy job be now for this market. Now so you go say you go patch for everywhere. You know they do anything. I don't do everything for this life to pursue this boy for this place. Nothing they work. Let's say right now, so now select church I go. I go do prayer. Make I take chase this boy come up for this shop. Because this boy na bad energy the way I see him. Na bad omen.
Oh sister, calm down now. He's cute.
Yeah?
See he's
Cute?
He's cute now.
They use cute to they fry egg. No, cute now they pay your school fees. It is if I they do cute, you go they see school fees. See they worry this one. What did they worry yourself, Chiamaka? You don't forget what Chinedu do me. You don't forget how Chinedu to pieces this my heart. Anything we consign boyfriend and girlfriend now. I no one pull hand. Anything love, me I no fit the same lane. You know go walk. Yes. Chinedu, when I give my heart, Chinedu break me. I carry this my better heart give Chinedu. Carry my body give Chinedu. Chinedu break pieces my heart. Scatter and finish, melt and fry am for pot. Chop my body, chop my money, join am. Come carry the remaining one take go abroad.
It's okay. You and this your Chinedu, this your first love. Can't you just forgive him or forget him?
I no fit forgive am. I no fit forgive am.
Oh.
Wetin he do me pain me. I never recover. Now because of Chinedu, na make me dey here like this so. So anything when come, in fact, why would they talk the matter? I no go talk the matter again.
Oh, sorry.
Bia. The clothes when they buy for you. What you they take them do? Why you see they dress like this now? You be campus speaking now.
Sister. Is it because you did not see me in campus? I wear things that are way longer than this, bigger. Because all these lecturers and all these small boys that want to come and disturb me, I don't want to. I want to face my studies. Yeah, now.
True you talk. Oh.
Yes.
The good like that continue to be wear because you know my investment. If anything happen to you now, what I go do?
Oh.
No. Those boys they must. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. They cover you with the blood of Jesus. They no go see you. Those lecturers no go see you. You go. They pass all your exam. Because I don't want any problem. If anything do you like this, so they don't kill me with that. And if they kill me, what I go do? Chiamaka. You get boyfriend? What's your apple? Drink water.
God forbid. Me? Boyfriend? God forbid.
Better.
Please,
because I don't want hear Rambo. I don't want Chiamaka. You see as I tell you small, so I don't want hear Ram. If I hear Ram, even for dream, if I mistake dream am, Chiamaka, I go spread you for this table. I go cut you like Nama. Adam, join this my meat seller.
Sir, why would I have a boyfriend? Let's stop. Change this topic, please.
Chiamaka, if you see man run.
Yes.
They chop. Oga Fryo. You see that foolish idiot of just now, so keep quiet when I dey talk. That shot on for an Orish. The next time when you go come here, see that in leg. My sister they say cute. Carry one, cut a mad and join this your number, make you sell her. Yes, now me give him the order.
Now.
I go defend you for court. My sister a lawyer in the making. He go defend you for court, no worry. Na trespass. No go to na they call ambulance.
If he trespasses, yes.
If he call you again, na trespass. Cut the leg, Adam join the number myself.
Hi.
Waiting you find come my house.
I went to the market, but I did not see you at your stand. I became worried, so I came to find out if you are okay. And I got something for you as well.
You go wait for me at the come.
Oga, you're still standing here. Leave my sister alone now. What are you even doing here?
I love your sister so much. Can you just let me talk to her, please? I beg you.
I said you should
I love
leave.
her so much. No, you don't understand.
Come on, your sister. I say make you come on here. You still stand? You don't want to come out? I say make you come on here. You don't want to come out?
I love you.
Hi, water. Sister. Oga, go now. Look at you. Your weight. Go. Can you hear me? I said leave. Hey.
You still standing once. You don't get sense. Don't sister me there. Okay, I say make you come on here. Come on here. I say make you come on here. Come on here. I say make you come on here. They worry you. You know they hear what? You dey form Superman, abi? Wait for me, I dey come.
Sister, what is your problem? Leave this place now. Go. Can't you hear me? I said go. Hey. Oh. Okay. Don't let my sister come back here and meet you. Don't let my sister come back here and meet you.
Where are idiot?
Sister,
I need to put channel like
can you go? Don't let her come here and meet you.
Put channel like that today. You dey mad? I say make you come on here. Sister. Chiamaka. Sister, I don't want to unleash my anger on you. Chiamaka, I don't want to unleash. Oga, come on here. I say make you come on here.
Kill me because I love you.
This guy won't die. We make I put her
Please now.
Oh, Chiamaka,
Why can't you go now? What is your problem? Leave this
come on here. I say make you come on here. Chiamaka. Chiamaka 1. Chiamaka 2. Oh, go. Chiamaka, leave me. Chiamaka, leave me.
Oga, can't you?
Oga, come on here.
I love you.
Come on here, Oga.
I love you.
Love, kill you there. You get death wish. Chiamaka, let me get put this into your like number.
I love you. I love you.
Oga, come on for this place.
Can you leave this place? Go now.
Oh,
Sister, please.
Chiamaka. Oh, Chiamaka, leave me. I go kill you. I go eat. Since then, I vow say I no go love any other man again. Anything wey concern love no concern me. I just wan focus. I wan focus on training my sister Chiamaka. Then focus for this my cow meat wey I dey sell so. You see me and love. We no fit see eye to eye. Love no dey my dictionary again. Wetin Chinedu do me? Chinedu pieces my heart. Chinedu break my heart. I land for hospital. 3 good months. 3 months now I stay for hospital. I nearly die. I don't want anything love, I don't want, I beg. No, just leave her like that. I don't want die, I beg. I dey sorry, say I drag you enter wetin no concern you.
No. I am not complaining. Okay, I am very sorry for what happened. Chinedu was just a user. He was a gold digger. He was very bad to you. He was very terrible to you. I understand the fact that he was taking advantage of you. I know that he was after your body, your money, your hustle. He never loved you. He never even liked you. Chizara, my intentions are very different from that. Chizara, I love you. I want to make you my wife. I want to make you my sister. I want to make you my partner. I want to see you by my side for the rest of my life.
Yeah, I dey fear. I don't want to go die like this. No. See, anything, no, just live love. Live love. I no fit. No, I no fit.
Chizaram, I am promising you that I won't break your heart like Chinedu did. I swear to God, I love you. Give me a chance.
You don't understand. I be orphan, no. I no get mama again. I no get papa. You see Chiamaka, now she be the only thing I get for this world. If heartbreak him, what Chiamaka go do? Ain't we me die now, Chiamaka go suffer. Now the only thing when I get be that my investment be that I don't want make anything go do Chiamaka.
Chizaram.
Live love. Make I focus.
Chizaram, if you don't have a family, I am your family. I am here for you. Just give us a chance. You will never regret it. I will cherish you. I will carry you like an egg. I swear to God, I love you with everything in me. I swear to God.
Oh, I don't like this thing now.
Relax now. Relax. Go reach everybody.
Which one? Say like the first you come here.
Here, what there? I'm dying.
And then sharp. Get place where I want go. Say na my own.
This one.
I say go reach everybody. Now they urge again.
I don't understand. Not be me first and come because I don't want to buy plenty. I don't understand though.
Na money matter. We no dey do first come first serve here. I mean na fast. I get place
Don't be
where I
your
want
meat,
go.
na nama.
Sharp. Say na my own you dey put so.
Yes.
So who will get this one when you come?
Madam, you go reach, you know what to give you.
I know they like this thing. Now because
Say na my own be this one.
Yes, hold on, I'm coming.
cut for me now, make I dey comot.
Put everything together.
Madam, it will get to your turn. Huh?
Now because I don't want to buy big money, I make una the first cut for now. I don't like am.
There is the first come first serve they do for you.
We made a lot of saves today.
Wow.
Indeed, you are a professional and you are blessed. Your hands are blessed. I'm telling you.
No. You like the food, Abi?
Not really. I prefer yours.
Manager, no worry. On Sunday, I will cook for you.
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Look, I promise to be by your side in this business. From here, we are going to go to a bigger and a better site. You can even buy a big plot of land. You'll be killing like 40 cows, 16 cows.
I never reach like that. Make Chiamaka graduate first. Now don't hand in my eye now.
Okay. I take that. Good. Do you like the meat?
No, chop now. Chop, you chop.
Sorry. You know I love you so much. That's why I'm just kidding.
And I love you.
What is it? You are the best. I swear.
What was it?
What is it? I would say that I love you. I would say that
I can't live without you. I will say that I will always dance for you, sing for you. And I will always show you to the world.
No. Nobody finish me with love like this.
I am just getting started. I am telling you the truth. Because I can dance for you, move for you, shake my body.
I know the guys.
Why? Why are you laughing?
Mama, beg, leave me.
I am dancing for you and I stop. Everything is for you.
Okay.
And I love the way you laugh.
Oya, no, carry me. Carry me. Your feet.
Yes, jump.
Wait. Oya.
Jump.
Okay.
What? How do I carry you? I was hoping we'll never get to your home. So we can work together all day and all over this village. Yes, baby. Yeah. I love you so much.
And my love big pass for you, Mama.
It's okay, huh?
I will miss you.
I will miss you more.
Oh yeah, bye-bye.
Wait, let me dance for you before I...
No.
Wait, now let me dance for you.
No, but I escort you reach gate.
Let me just dance for you.
No.
Stand. Let me entertain.
No.
Okay, baby. Bye.
My escort is small. My escort is small now.
It's okay.
Yeah, no, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh
yeah, bye-bye.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye. Yes. Give you step 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope you love what you see.
Money from me and left. Who is it to you?
And my boyfriend, what's happened?
Hey! No, see. You know him? Your guy, as in your boyfriend. You know not to be boyfriend. We did do. What's happened? Hey! I advise you run.
Just run as your legs can carry. Nonso is not a good person. Run and never look back.
Madam, waiting happen. Because I don't understand what you mean. If you want to talk to me, just talk to me direct. Waiting this up. I will tell you.
Nonso is a pure gold digger. Pure gold digger. He dated my friend years back, 2 years ago. He was rolling on the floor for my friend to accept him. Finally, she did. Nonso would eat her and eat her because this my friend was working in the bank. She had money, driving a good car. But you know what? When my friend finally lost her job as a banker, Nonso broke up with her. Till today, she has not seen Nonso with her 2 eyes. I know he'd not recognize me, but I know him too well. He's a liar as well. He's not a good person.
Madam, you don't talk finish. I don't hear you. How much meat you want buy?
Well, I'm sorry, my mouth shut up.
How much meat
Give
you
me
want buy
5,000
now?
naira meat.
5k meat you want buy.
Not me offend you because I'm advising you now. Don't worry, you will see it with your 2 eyes.
Madam, on they go. I don't want to sell for you again.
Give me meat.
Madam, they go now. Go another place, go buy meat now by force.
Okay, because I'm telling you.
Madam, carry your 5,000 naira come on for here.
I will buy from another person.
Fish go on, they talk, balance go, they show face. Bros, they don't bring your goats come today.
They never come, they see the road.
Hey, that's my goats don't be finished. I'm not even get again.
I waste more time, I made a car come. I don't already call them, they come.
I go. I want to go now. Give me money, make I go. Too fast now. I want to go. You're delaying my time.
Sorry.
I don't understand. What's be this?
Please manage it, okay?
Hey, I should manage this. This thing that will not even buy my hangout. Which one is manage this? Okay, I beg, complete my money. What kind of nonsense be this? They think that I come follow you play love. Or do I look like your butcher girlfriend?
Take your voice down.
See, I beg. Complete my money, I
Can
beg.
we talk?
Talk about what? Oh, you want chop, you don't want pay, Abi? Complete my money, let me start going. What nonsense is this?
Okay. I am sorry. Manage this one for now. I know that this is not what we agreed on. But just manage it, eh? I will see you soon. We'll see soon.
See soon? See when? When are we seeing?
This weekend.
This weekend?
Yes, this weekend. The weekend is not far now. It's just 2 days from now.
Don't try me, okay? Don't try me because you won't even like my reaction. Ha! What nonsense is this? You should say, I'm not coming here to play love with you. Not try me. If you not give my complete money, when I was you, you not recognize me. Rubbish. You want chop, you have no one pay. Stupid man.
Oh!
Dear husband, are you still sleeping, baby king? Ah, alright. Just call me when you're up. Cheating husband. Come here, babies.
Ifoma, God forbid evil. What evil? Eh? So you have joined all these girls to do this rubbish they are doing in our palace. Hey Ifoma, how could you now? How could you?
What rubbish are you talking about? See, I think it's high time you start minding your business.
Yes. Like, you're sleeping with your fellow woman, the queen. Like the queen. Like, is it not disgusting? Are you not disgusted? Are you not remorseful? You have a serious man in your life, for crying out loud. A guy in abroad. Do you know what that means? Hey, Ifoma. How could you now? What is wrong with you? I don't know you with this hand.
How is it a bad thing? I'm not cheating with a man. Yes, the queen likes me. Yes, and she wants me in her bed. She's classy. She smells good. Oh, I know, you are jealous. Yes, you are. Besides, it's my life. It's my choice. Please, I think it's time you start minding your business.
Oh, really?
Yes. Mind your business.
The gods forbid it. Like, I reject, I rebuke it. Ifoma, this is very bad. This is not you. Hey, come on now, this is a strong spirit. You cannot control it when it overwhelms you. All I'm saying is, just stop it. Stop it, Ifoma. You might end up disliking your man. It doesn't make sense. Come on now. Why are you doing this? Like, I don't get it. This is very bad. Reject it. Reject it. Even you reject it.
When you are done talking, speak to the hands. As if you are anywhere better. Eh? Are you? You are just jealous.
Ifoma, stop it. You, like... Ifoma. Hey, this girl don't go. God, I beg. That shall never end. This one.
I have lectures this afternoon.
Oh, yes.
You see?
That's true.
So what about you? You'll be going home, right?
Yes, I have to go back to my sister. I need some money from her. And I know you gave me some, but I need more. Thank you so much for everything.
Are you sweet?
Thank you.
I'll miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Be a good girl, okay?
I miss you.
Alright.
Okay,
Take care
drive
of yourself.
safe.
You need to see what Marvin did for me.
He painted the town red, green, blue, all for me. We clubbed. I got drunk, of course. What is it? Monday here. What? And do you even know the best part? That guy cannot! Jesus, I thought I was...
Open this door. Suitor! 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 Open this door! Suitor, open this door! You want to see your sister? Suitor! Okay. You don't want to open this door, Abi? Let me go and call the youth now. They'll come and cut this door on her. Suitor! Wait!
When you leave me, I need to kill this girl. Why? I go kill her, Uncle. I not go leave her, I go kill her.
If you dare touch this girl again, you have me to contact with. What's the problem?
My sister she be. This one are my investment, Uncle. You know it I didn't go through. You know it I don't suffer.
If you try touch her again, I stand up.
I cannot go your house. You go to your house because you don't know anything that they go your house. Chiamaka, you sign for me, Abi, you don't sign for me. I'm sorry. Chiamaka, you sign for me, Abi, you don't sign for me. I'm sorry.
You see, you have damaged her leg. Eh? You have damaged your sister's leg. The only sister that you have. Eh? Why are you this wicked? Why are you this wicked? Don't worry. I will call the elders on you. Then you will tell them why are you this wicked to your only sister? Why? Hey, Oga, take it easy now. Do you want to damage the leg more? Take it easy.
I'm doing my job. Please allow me to do my job.
I do it well now.
Do you want to come and do it?
Don't damage it.
Chiamaka. I struggle. Make sure say you did that school. Yet you say na shame you want karate rub me for face, Chiamaka. Because I don't want me, you know they alright, Chiamaka. I drop out for that same school, make you for continue school. What till you promise me? You tell me say you no go follow man. You tell me say you no go follow man till you graduate. Chiamaka, you say you won't shame me. Say na shower you want to do, Abi? Nah, don't break your leg. See him now. Sister, I'm sorry, honestly.
Just pray that she walks again. See, this is your crocodile tears. It will never save you. Don't worry. I don't.
This place at your house. Because I keep you quiet, this place at your house, you go on, they go your house. Uncle, you go come on here. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Person when I don't train. You know I think they suffer for market every day.
I'm through with my job.
Okay, no be me call you why you through with your work. Now me call you come here. What's the happen? Why they tell me? Uncle pay him money now.
I will pay him now.
They pay him. Everything I me go do. I go sell my leg if una.
But make sure.
Uncle, give her money. You won't come and make plenty noise. Give her money. Give her.
Who is there? Who is here? Bye, yo. Who is here?
Oh shit. What is it? Oh my God.
She took my phone. She stopped me from going out. Chiamaka, I really tried. I believe she knew I was lying. Oh my God. She really dealt with you.
More than Abigail. More than. My sister dragged me to hell, but I refused to die. Look, I have never in my life ever seen my sister that angry. She was like a beast, like her eyes were so red. She wanted to kill me.
I knew it. I knew that from the moment she dragged you out of that room, the worst is about to happen.
I'm done with everything. I've called off everything with Marvin. I will never be in love. I will never date any guy till I'm done with my school. I'm done. I broke my sister. Abigail, my sister was crying for me. Ha! No, now. No, I'm done.
But you're a big girl now. Almost rounding up with school. You really tried. It's not even up to 3 months you started this relationship.
Abigail, can't you see my leg? Can't you see the pains I'm in? My sister I was beaten like a criminal. She was beating me with a belt and at the same time punching me. I can't, please. Please. I can't.
Sorry. It's okay. Sorry.
Hello. Hi.
You're gonna dey eye me, na meat you won't buy. Buy if na meat you won't buy, may you leave me. What be yellow, why? Have you telephone?
I'm sorry, you kind of look different today. Is everything alright?
What's it concern you? Big boru. Leave my difference for me. Na meat you won't buy me, you come on here.
Just because I've not seen you in this kind of mood before. I mean, you...
Okay, what's happen now? If you know they buy, they go now.
It's alright. I'm sorry. Do you have goat meat?
Okay, so you look this table, you see goat meat for you. I no get goat meat, na cow meat I get. If you go buy. If you no buy, may you bounce.
Alright, you sound so harsh and...
Okay, how much meat you want? Buy if you want buy may you come on here now.
5,000.
How much you say you want buy?
Are you sure you're alright?
Okay, I go sit down, no get joy. I go sit down.
It's alright. 5,000.
I shower. Hey, oh my baby, sour lele.
Queen Elena. Queen Elena, you are disturbing our meeting. The music is too loud. I said the music is too loud.
Look at this old fool.
You slapped.
I will do worse.
Do you realize that I'm the Prime Minister of...
Do you want me to pour this on you and get you blind forever? Are you mad? Prime Minister my foot. Do you realize I am the queen of this kingdom? I rule over your miserable life.
You have crossed the line. Queen Elena, you have crossed the line.
Listen to me, you old fool.
Listen to who? You?
Next time you try this, I will make your life miserable. Rotten old man! Look at this nitwit! How dare you come in here and off my music because of your stupid palace meeting? Your fruitless meeting! Your meeting that is as useless as you! Old vagabond! What nonsense! It can't be a kid. Let me see you walk back in here again if I will not use this bottle on you.
How can she slap our Onowu? How? Is she mad? I will personally not take that from her. Wait for them, Nisi. I don't understand. Let me tell you, I will not take it. I will not. If not for the fact that Onowu said he has spoken with the king on phone. Ha! Ha! But then, as soon as the king returns from London, this matter must pop up. It must pop up. It will not rest. Never. We must do something about this. Let me tell you. I'm of the opinion that we should go and get the youth. Let's go to her house and, in fact, let's deal with her. Yes. Oh no.
Ichionduka, you see, like I said before, why not let us wait until the king comes back? Because he called me, he pleaded with me, and has softened my heart. So I'll suggest that we'll wait. I appreciate your reactions to it, but as for that woman, I don't think I will forgive her for it. Let's just wait until he comes.
Hey! You see that woman? That woman! She has beaten more than she can chew. Of course, she has. Why don't you allow us, just allow the youth, like you said, give her a small sample. Sample like this.
Our king will be offended because he personally pleaded with me. So let's wait until he returns. Please. The youth will do their own if it's necessary.
Okay.
That woman, I will never forgive her.
Who do you think you are? You're nothing. You are just a product of one night stand. You think you're lucky? You are so unfortunate. I put it to you that you are a product of unfortunate sex. Have you ever had a taste of Queen Elena's wrath before? I'll make you smell it. Hey! All of you. I want you to give her a resounding slap. One after the other. Make sure you do it well. You. Slap her. Get out! Next. Why are you happy? Disappear! Smelling thing. Next. Maidens, I want you all to walk her to her room. Make sure she picks every of her rag she came here with. And you, I don't want to see your smelling ugly face around me again. In fact, you can go ahead and disappear from this kingdom. Move it. Take this lunatic out of my presence. Stupid. And so what? What are you going to do to me? That I slapped the stupid old fool, do you know? And so what? Who gave him the right to touch me? The gods? Oh, shut up, baby king. I know the gods will do nothing. You are only yelling over the phone. Need I remind you that I never begged you to become the queen? Because I was already a queen in my father's house before you dragged me into this whole nonsense. Stop blaming me for nonsense. Why are you supporting your no? Why? I'm not surprised. I know he will report me to you. She can't do nothing. And so, I know it was just a few months ago you buried your father and you became the king. Yes, stop reminding me that we are barely a year in this royal line. Stop it. You know what? If this is what you're going to do, I'm going to block your number and you will not call me again. Can you be reasonable and say something meaningful to me? Stop upsetting me. I'm angry already. And I'm not done with that miserable no. That cacafuego, I'm going to teach him a lesson. Stop yelling. Stop shouting at me. You know I hate it. What? You regret marrying me? Are you mad? Why will you say that to me? Okay, I'm done with this conversation. Don't call my number until you're back to this Nigeria. Alright? Don't call me. I'm going to block you right away. Stupid! I'll show all of you. Pepe! I'll deal with all of you in this kingdom. Rubbish. Old fools. Everywhere. Smelling men.
Auntie? Oh, this. Okay. You do well because of me, Pujara self.
Oh, thank you so much.
No wala.
Oh, it's heavy. Thank you. Okay.
No wala.
Let's do this. Okay. Here.
No, madam, no need. No worry.
I insist. You've been good to me. You're kind. You tried helping. You helped me out. So take it. I insist.
Dollar. Madam, thank you. God go bless you well for me. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, darling. I'll see you later.
No wahala. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Go small, though. Okay, no. And if you need goat meat tomorrow, just come here straight. I'll go wait for you.
I'll always
Thank you. Hi, no. A dollar to give me a big woman.
Dollars?
A big woman be that woman. Yes, sir. Hey.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Bring it, let me see. Bring it.
No, they do like that.
Bring it.
No, they do like that. I know green, no. I know green. See, oh, yeah, look at from that side. So, yeah. From there. I know green, I know they give you.
Let me feel it.
I know try.
Small.
No.
You are sorted though.
Na market today.
You are sorted though.
No, na market today. Na market today.
You.